Variegated mugwort, a delightful cultivar of the more common mugwort Artemisia vulgaris, shares a rich history with its parent plant. This herbaceous perennial is native to Europe and Asia, but has found its way into gardens worldwide. Historically, mugwort has been revered for its various medicinal and cultural uses, including as a flavoring in beer and as a protective herb in folklore. Variegated mugwort displays deeply lobed, dark green leaves adorned with distinctive creamy white margins. These variegated leaves create a visually striking contrast in the garden or landscape. The plant typically grows to a moderate height, making it a versatile choice for various garden designs. Cultivating variegated mugwort is relatively straightforward. It thrives in well-draining soil and can tolerate both full sun and partial shade. Regular pruning helps maintain its shape and encourage bushier growth. It is also drought tolerant once established, making it a sustainable choice for water-conscious gardeners. Variegated mugwort possesses natural insect repelling qualities. Placing it near other plants susceptible to pests can help deter infestations, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. It's a valuable addition to any eco-conscious garden. Variegated mugwort boasts a wide range of uses, from its traditional medicinal applications to its ornamental and culinary potential. Historically, mugwort was employed as a medicinal herb to treat various ailments, although it should be used with caution and guidance from a knowledgeable herbalist. In modern times, it is primarily grown for its aesthetic appeal, adding a touch of elegance to gardens and landscapes. For you, where mugwort is not a common culinary herb, some adventurous cooks have used its leaves sparingly in recipes. It imparts a unique, slightly bitter flavor to dishes and can be used in small quantities to add complexity to salads or rice dishes. However, its culinary use is less widespread compared to other herbs. Variegated mugwort, with its stunning foliage and rich history, is a remarkable addition to any garden. Whether you're drawn to its visual appeal, its potential as a companion plant, or its historical significance, variegated mugwort is a herbaceous treasure waiting to be explored. Stay tuned for more intriguing plant profiles on our channel. Happy gardening!